Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Position the monitor and attach the stand for stability because a secure base prevents damage and keeps ports accessible. Next, plug the power cord into the monitor and a grounded outlet to ensure stable voltage. Then connect the display cable, HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C from monitor to PC. Make sure the monitor's input source matches that cable. If it doesn't, change the input in the monitor menu. Once done, power on both devices so they can negotiate a signal. Now you're in the middle of the setup. Make the image correct and smooth. Open your operating system's display settings to set the native resolution and preferred refresh rate. This preserves clarity and reduces scaling artifacts. Install or update graphics drivers so the GPU properly recognizes the monitor and enables features like HDR or adaptive sync. If you used adapters, verify compatibility and prefer DisplayPort or HDMI directly for full bandwidth. Once configured, test video playback and a high refresh window to confirm performance. Finish by tidying cables and positioning the monitor for comfort. Top bezel at eye height and an arm's length away reduces strain. Calibrate color with built-in tools or simple patterns to set brightness and contrast for your ambient light. This improves accuracy for work and media. Finally, test with varied content to confirm stability. If you see no signal or flicker, pause and reset cables, confirm the monitor input, try a different cable or port, and boot with another device to isolate the fault before replacing hardware.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.